She's smoking.
That's when I investigate.
Sila mag-vlog yung ibang content. Oo! Hi guys! Hi So ngayon, we're gonna eat lunch. Tatawid na kami sa Shibuya Crossing. Angge, what can you say?
I don't like this tawiran. Ito, iniwan ko din ba sa Plaza?
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Guys, come on! Magkabilang mundo kami, guys. We're gonna buy Ivy Lace because we're gonna change this.
2 taon na tong nabubulok sa akin.
Yeah.
Grabe yung 2 taon.
Ito siya? University of Hey guys! Naka-secure na kami. Hindi kami pinayagan tumawad, kaya... Papaya sa isa.
Ganunin mo na. What happened?
Here guys, this is my old Ivy Lace. And here's the new one.
Now award you. Summa cum laude. Congratulations.
Kabila.